In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Shopify is and how it works. Think of Shopify as your all-in-one home base for selling online. It's designed so you don't need advanced technical skills to create and run a professional store. Instead of juggling separate tools for your website, payments, inventory, and marketing, you manage everything from a single intuitive dashboard. Here's the core idea. Shopify hosts your store on reliable servers, takes care of the back-end infrastructure, and keeps the technical pieces, like security, speed, and software updates, running smoothly in the background. That way, you can focus on your products and your customers. Inside the dashboard, you can easily add products with images, descriptions, prices, and variants like sizes or colors. Inventory management is built in, so you can track stock levels and stay on top of what's selling. This saves time and helps you avoid overselling or missing opportunities. Design is straightforward too. You choose a theme and customize the look to match your brand, adjusting colors, fonts, and layout without touching complex code. The result is a cohesive storefront that feels like you, from the homepage to the checkout. When it comes to getting paid, Shopify supports multiple payment methods through integrated providers, so customers can check out quickly and securely. You configure the options that make sense for your business, and Shopify streamlines the rest. Order management is centralized. You can see new orders as they come in, review details, and process fulfillment from the same place. If you ship physical products, Shopify offers tools that help you calculate rates, print labels, and track deliveries. If you sell digital products or services, delivery and scheduling are handled in a way that fits those formats, so the experience stays seamless for your customers. To help you grow, Shopify provides marketing and analytics tools. You can run promotions, use built-in features to improve discoverability, and review performance metrics to understand what's working. These insights inform better decisions, whether you're refining product pages or planning your next campaign. Best of all, Shopify supports different kinds of businesses, physical goods, digital downloads, and services, so you can start with one offering and expand over time. Keep your product information clear, your design consistent, and your inventory organized, and you'll be set up to scale confidently. In short, Shopify handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes so you can focus on selling, serving customers, and growing your brand. That's how Shopify works, and why it's a powerful way to turn your ideas into a fully functioning online store.